Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya. This video is not a technical video where I'll be teaching you or explaining you something. I have made this video just to thank you and express my gratitude towards you all. Just because of you people, we have reached 3 milestones. 2 are major, 1 is minor. Secondly, I want to tell you about the Yoga Chaitanya's upcoming plans for the next year. The first major milestone that the channel has achieved is 5,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It happened just because of you. And the second major milestone which I didn't expected was the membership button. Because when I was studying about YouTube, I got to know that the membership button is given to a channel when it crosses 30,000 subscribers. And in many cases, people with 1 lakh or above subscribers are not getting membership button. But in my case, I got it when I was at 3,500 maybe. So it happened just because of you people. Thank you so much. People who don't know about the join button, it's a membership button where you, when you opt for the membership, you have to pay a certain fee to the channel. A part of the fee goes to the YouTube and other part is given to the content creator. So in that membership, you get some exclusive content like courses or details or features. So I'm preparing on that, working on that. I hope I'll disclose that things to you in upcoming days. We will be getting some courses, classes and meditation classes. So the third milestone is monetization, which got enabled on my channel. That was not on my list. Thank you so much for that too. Now I want to make some announcements regarding Yoga Chaitanya, what you will be getting in next 1 year. Firstly, the quality content. It does not matter either you are paid member or you are getting my product or anything. You will be getting free content which would be high on quality. So don't worry about that. Either you belong to membership or the free club, does not matter. You will be getting quality content, that I assure you. Secondly, we are launching few products, the Ayurvedic products. 3 are already launched. I'll be sharing the links of my website and the videos along with you. 7 more to come by the end of December or maybe 14th of Jan. So I'll be sharing that details also. Secondly, we have decided to give online classes. I'm getting a lot of calls, messages and requests about the online classes. And now I've decided to start online classes. I'll be sharing the link of the website and the portal where I'll be giving online classes. The fee will be nominal, don't worry about that too. And the classes will be having a mixture of Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Vinyasa, Vinyasa Flow, Yin Yoga, meditation classes. It will be a live class. Third thing is the membership button. Since the membership button is enabled, so I'll be offering some courses, some therapies or meditations on that portal. So if you want to go for that, you can. I'll be telling you about that too. The next thing which you'll be getting in upcoming year will be a yoga and meditation retreat in Himalayas. A retreat of 3 to 7 days, which will be hosted at a exotic location where you'll go into a deep meditation state with some yoga practices and techniques. So if everything goes right, there is no third wave of corona. I hope this will happen. And lastly, we are planning to execute a yoga teacher training. I hope by the end of the year, next year, I'll be launching some yoga teacher training courses where you'll be getting certified yoga teacher training certificates from us. And you'll be able to teach yoga and meditation all across the globe. So thank you so much once again. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal.